By all measures, the cost of healthcare is rising at the fastest rate in our country's history. Outpacing the rest of the economy, healthcare is now a national crisis that has become a top priority for our nation's leaders and families alike.
We have serious problems in cost. We have very high-tech healthcare in this country. We spend more than any other developed country in the world. But unfortunately, despite the fact we spend more than any developed country in the world, we don't rank very high in health status.
Unfortunately, today's healthcare system is designed for acute care rather than prevention and diagnosis. Only 50% of individuals ever participate in preventative screenings for their health. While it may not be possible to manage the cost of healthcare, it is possible to manage the process, and it all starts with early health and wellness.
Very difficult to change behavior. These are behavioral changes, very difficult. But we persist in educating people about the importance of health promotion. And if we can do that, I think you can reduce the overall cost of healthcare.
Nationally, we're seeing a huge increase in healthcare costs. And out of that $2.2 trillion we're spending every year, between 30 to 50% of that cost is waste. And it's not finding disease early, it's ignoring risk. And so by giving patients tools to manage those things, we not only make them healthier, but we decrease cost of care.
The answer lies in not only changing our behavior and attitude towards a healthy lifestyle at home, but also in the workplace. For instance, here at the Greater Omaha Packing Company, health screenings and exercise are as much a part of the work environment as the work itself.
A program that optimizes employee health, reduces healthcare costs, and actually enhances the personal health of our employees.
Workplace is important because that's where we spend most of our time. You can get aggregate groups of people there, and if championed appropriately by the work site, you can really get people motivated, and it almost becomes part of the culture.
Here, an integrated wellness program offered by a company called Simply Well provides employees with disease and health management tools to optimize employee health, reduce the use of health expenses, and enhance work performance. For the employer, it means lower healthcare costs and improved employee health activity. And for the participant, it means a healthy lifestyle through personal empowerment.
I think that's the way to try to capture as many people as you can through the integrated healthcare plan. And I think each of the corporations or whoever is promoting this plan can do something to provide incentive for people to get into these plans.
Traditionally, medicine has really not included patients in their own care. You know, we've reacted to diseases and reacted to disasters, and it is far better off to go in and find risk early before it becomes disease, and find disease early before it becomes complicated and often hazardous to patients.
Healthcare is a very, very immediate issue for most employers because of the cost. So being able to provide their employees with preventive care, a model that will help them manage their healthcare costs, makes every employer a perfect candidate.
If we're going to overcome the problem of where we rank in health status and the problem of our expenditure increase, we need to address those kind of risk factors, and particularly obesity and smoking.
I think it's the wave of the future, and every individual needs to take responsibility for their own health care, and especially preventative medicine, preventative health care.
Everyone from politicians to insurance carriers are trying to find ways for Americans to receive affordable, quality health care. Now, individuals and employers alike are making the right, healthy decisions through an integrated wellness program.
What's really key about that integrated health is it offers a solution for everyone regardless of their risk. If you're healthy, you still need some things to work on, and if you're truly managing a chronic disease, and then if you're right in the middle, we give you things to work on. So it's really an opportunity to reach across the entire care continuum. So we want to get to the folks early, get them to address their needs early, identify their needs, so that we can get them the appropriate point of care and help them really managing their health before it's too late.
Since 1998, Simply Well has been providing individuals and organizations with high-touch health management services centered on delivering innovative tools to help drive healthcare costs down.
What we do is give individuals tools to manage their own health. And every individual has a different risk pattern and a different disease pattern, and therefore we customize it right down to the individual level.
Simply Well's focus is to help employers and their employees become healthier and more productive.
Today, Simply Well serves organizations in all 50 states and 17 countries with an integrated wellness program that teaches employees healthy lifestyle choices as well as risk prevention.
For the participant that enrolls in Simply Well, the benefit is the tools that we provide them. We meet them at their risk level and provide them solutions such as an action plan, specific and customized for them. So they're provided support throughout the year to manage their health. For the employer, we're providing a solution to help them manage their cost.
The program is something that actually reduces the healthcare costs, reduces their healthcare expenses, and actually enhances the production and the work performance of each employee.
We are all concerned that Americans start receiving more affordable, quality health care. Simply Well simplifies the entire healthcare system by giving the individual a choice in leading a healthier, more productive life.
Well, Simply Well has a couple of things going for it that are very strong. One, it's getting to businesses, small businesses, larger businesses, and providing the kind of consultation to intervene in the workforce. And it has demonstrated over the last several years how much cost savings result from those kinds of interventions.
I've lost 25 pounds. I've watched what I've done. I've lowered my cholesterol and all that through the Simply Well program. So I'm a big advocate of that program myself. I think it works.
That's probably the most gratifying part about our program is the aha moment for our participants. We've received emails quite frequently about folks that have decided to stop smoking, that have lost weight, that have realized or been diagnosed with diabetes for the first time. We do have some instances where we found folks that are pre-leukemic, and obviously those folks are very, very grateful for our program because we're telling them something that they didn't know. And then they can go get the proper treatment and better manage their health. So that's the best part about the program.
For more information on Simply Well, visit simplywell.com.